how to find archived emails in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to find your archived emails in your Gmail account. So first of all, just open your Gmail account. So for example, you have so many emails right here, and if you received an email and you click on it, and by mistake or intentionally you click on this archive button from the top and this mail have been removed from your inbox. So in order to see that, you have to click on the hamburger icon on the top left corner, and from here just go to all mails, and there you will be able to see the email that you have just put in your archived. So just tap on the email that you have archived, and after that you have to click on the three dot icon from the top right, and here you will see all these options, but you have to click on move to inbox, and then this email will be in your inbox. So when you click on all inboxes, you will be able to see the email right here. So this is basically how you will be able to find your archived emails in Gmail account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.